Pressing Ctrl+F opens the Find field, which allows you to search the text currently displayed in any program that supports it. For example, Ctrl+F can be used in your internet browser to find text on the current page. Press Ctrl+F now to open the Find in your browser and search for shortcut to display each time shortcut is mentioned on this page. On Apple computers, use Cmd+F to find. Ctrl+G may be used to repeat a search from using Ctrl+F in a document or on a web page. Pressing Alt+Tab switches between open programs moving forward. For example, if you have your browser window open and other programs running in the background, press and hold Alt and then press the Tab key to cycle through each open program. On Apple computers, instead of using the Alt key, use the Command CMD key. For example, CMD+Tab to switch between open programs. The following shortcuts are for PC users only and do not work on Apple computers. Pressing Ctrl+Backspace deletes a full word at a time instead of a single character. Holding down the Control key while pressing the left or right arrow moves the cursor one word at a time instead of one character at a time. If you want to highlight one word at a time, hold down Ctrl+Shift, then press the left or right arrow key. Your highlighted selection moves one word at a time in that direction. While working on a document or another file in almost every program, pressing Ctrl+S saves that file. Use this shortcut key frequently if you're working on anything important in case of an error, lost power, or any other issues that causes you to lose any work since the last save. On Apple computers, use Cmd+S to save a file. Ctrl+Home moves the cursor to the beginning of the document, and Ctrl+End moves the cursor to the end of a document. These shortcuts work with most documents, as well as web pages. On Apple computers, use the Cmd+Up arrow to get to the beginning or Cmd+Down arrow to get to the end of a document or text. Ctrl+P is used to open a print preview of the page or document currently being viewed. For example, press Ctrl+P now to view a print preview of this page. On Apple computers, use Cmd+P to open the print preview.